Hello YouTube, this is my review of the UGREEN Ethernet adapter 3.0 to Gigabit. I recently ordered it from Amazon and it came today, so we're going to see how we unbox it and open it up and set it up with the Switch, Nintendo Switch. Okay, so this is the adapter and we are going to open it up quite shortly. See what's inside. Got a nice layer of plastic on it. You can throw that out. And on the box, on the front, it says Ethernet adapter, perfect PC companion. It says what it's compatible with. RJ45 port. It doesn't say it's compatible with, but it says it has compatibility and stability. Yeah. Then on the side, we have this little QR code for Facebook. And then on the back, it just has some information about the product. And then you've got a little logo. So let's open this up. If I could just get it open. Okay. Has a little tab there. It's nice. Okay. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. It comes with this disc. I don't know how I'm going to install the drivers from this disc onto my Switch, but it said that this was compatible with the Nintendo Switch on Amazon. So now I'm starting to get a little bit annoyed. It says here that if I have any questions or I need any help, that I can contact the customer support, which is nice. And then over here, it has a little instruction manual. I guess we're going to look at it to see how it works with the Switch. Do I need it even? I don't know if this will actually be compatible with the Nintendo Switch, and I bought it for my Switch. But we're going to find out if it's going to work. So everybody on Amazon that's asking if it's ready and compatible with the Switch will know whether or not it's compatible with the Switch. Okay? So let's cut to the Switch. Okay, so supposedly the only part of the Switch that's accessible and compatible with this, because it's USB 3.0, is the back. There's a USB point here. So we're just going to take the cap off and plug it in. And that, I'm going to take the Ethernet out of my computer and plug that in to the switch port, to the little Ethernet port. We're going to take this and we're going to plug this in there. I don't have a tripod, so I'm doing this with just hands. Basically, it's plugged in to the Ethernet port. Nice and secure. And we're going to go and see if the Switch will turn on and use the internet. Okay, so we go to the back, turn on the Switch. If this works, I'm going to be so happy. And if this doesn't work, I'm going to be so mad because I waited for 3 weeks for this. I'm going to be so pissed off. Yeah, let's play these to Final Fantasy IX. We're going to close that because right now we are going to System Settings, Internet Settings. Up until now, I've been using Wi-Fi. Oh, it says wired connection works already. It automatically left my thing. So I guess it does work. Awesome. You know what? Let's test the connections to see how fast it is. I don't know if that's how you test the connection. Yeah, you do. Okay, so. I don't know if that's good or not, but we're gonna test it like that compared to the Wi-Fi. Okay. Test connection. It's going to be really ironic if it's faster with Wi-Fi. No, it's not. It's a little bit slower, I think. Okay, fine. The download speed is a little bit slower, but the upload speed is about the same. So let's go back to being wired. That is so awesome. This is so awesome. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It works. It works with the Switch. You don't really need this stupid driver installer. You don't need this to use it, which is great for me. Okay, so I just changed the actual Ethernet cable, and I just ran an internet test, and now the download speed is 51 megabits per second, and the upload speed is 1.7, because I didn't want to not have internet for my PC, right? I have Wi-Fi, I just don't like using Wi-Fi.